Yeah, I'm still following. This is all my oil trail right here.
Oh my God. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, so, yeah, no, I was just going to go to the local E85 station and top this up for the event this weekend. And so I was just putzing down, it's only a couple exits up the road, and I got off on the exit. And so I hit one downshift and I smelled like some oil. And I looked in the mirror and all I could see is smoke. I couldn't even see the road behind me, and I'm like, oh boy. But the oil pressure was good, and there wasn't like an engine oil smell. So I'm like, there's a gas station just right up this frontage road, not that far, and I didn't want to stop like on the side of the highway. So I kind of coasted-ish up to the gas station and pulled in and shut it off. And I get out, and there was literally a trail of oil like this wide, all the way from the off-ramp all the way over to where I parked the car. The transmission cooler line came off of the radiator. I mean, the retaining clip and everything is still there. That was shooting transmission fluid basically straight out of the radiator, like onto the headers. You know, it probably sprayed 3 quarts of transmission, 4 quarts of transmission oil just everywhere. Once I saw that, I was much less worried because I pulled over basically right when it happened. So I know there's, the transmission still had oil, enough to not damage anything while I'm pulling over. And it just was going to be a lot of cleaning. That's all getting changed anyway. It's like the only thing on the car, those lines, that has not been changed. So yeah, but we have a new cooling package coming. This issue won't be an issue anymore because that's going to be completely eliminated. We got our RPM built transmit. I don't remember what stages, all of the stages, and then their diff with, you can see that real fancy billet, billet housing here and everything. Ooh. They recommend a Royal Purple Synchro Max, I believe it is. We're waiting for that to show up at the local O'Reilly's, and we'll get the car back on the road. So this is the exit. So I was coming up here, I was just kind of cruising. I did a downshift right here, and like another downshift like right here, and then smoke. Yeah, I'm still following. This is all my oil trail right here.
Oh my God. Yeah, I got it.
And there was like,
that's insane,
a huge cloud of smoke. I'll pull forward.
Dude, what? That's crazy. This is insane. The fact that, how did you not grenade the transmission? That's not a small amount of fluid.
Well, I mean, I literally pulled over as soon as it started dumping, and I coasted from there into here. I was concerned it was engine oil. So we are going to top off our transmission or fill it. Either way, there's not enough fluid in there at the moment. There's a fill plug on the side of the transmission here, a 3/8 square. But it is topped off. I think what we'll do next, just to make sure, is we're gonna fire up the car and just like put it in first on the lift and let the wheels turn, because that will pump the oil through the system. Let it turn the wheels for a minute, spin the pump, spin all that, so that we can make sure that it's pumped through the whole system, and then we'll check it again. What wound up failing on the car was this fitting right here that goes into the radiator. So when that came out, all the transmission oil just went everywhere. So we do expect a lot of smoke when we actually start running it, because it's probably all over the header wrap and everything else. So, but it's fixed now, so we just need to clean all the oil off and let all the oil smoke out, and we'll be good to go.